Hi guys, my name's Hailee, and today we're going to make little umbrellas for Umbrella Day. So the things you'll need are cupcake liners, any color, design, whatever you want, some pipe cleaners, any colors, and anything to decorate your cupcakes liners with today. So the first thing you're going to do is you're going to take a cupcake liner and you're gonna flatten it out just like that, and then you're gonna put whatever design you want on it with whatever you can design it with, markers, colored pencils. So I did smiley faces on this one, and you are gonna fold that in half, nice little crease. Then you're going to take whatever color pipe cleaner you have, and you're going to cut it in half, make about that big. You're going to take one end, and you're going to stick it right through where that crease is, right in the middle. Just like that. You should have a little piece at the top. Next, you're going to take the bottom half, and you're going to curve it like a J. Now, you fold it just like that, and I take the tops and fold them down just so they don't poke because of the top. And there you have it, an umbrella. Thank you guys for watching.